I've been waiting to get these clippers. I heard a lot of good things about them. Let's see what it's about. YouTube, I'm back with another video. Let's go. It's been a while. I've been living life. Life has been good, bad, everything in between. The journey is beautiful, but I'm back. I got something special for y'all today. If you read the caption, you know what it is. Package. Another package day. Let's go. I love package days. You already know that. If you've been on my channel before, thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for interacting, commenting. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Even when I take a break, y'all still supporting. So thank y'all for that. But let's get to this package. This is from barbersalon.com, by the way. All right, I open this upside down, but what do we have here? The Andis Phenom. Let's go. This package reminds me of the MV2s a lot. It is a little heavy. Now, I don't know which side is the front, but if this is the front, it shows the blade. It shows you can switch out the colors a little bit. They got 2 different colors for the grip and 2 colors for the actual housing. High-speed brushless motor, 2.5 hour runtime. It says USB-C charging with premium stand. 7,000 SMP, strokes per minute. If y'all can let me know in the comments, what is the difference between strokes per minute, SPM, and RPM? Because I don't get it. If it's the same thing, just put RPM, dog. Like, come on, man. On the side, it says interchangeable cover and grip, durable full metal ergonomic design. I do like that. On the back, it shows all the information. It's basically the same stuff I've been saying. It says click/no click lever arm. Easily modified lever for smooth, quiet operation. You know I like to take the click off, so I was gonna do that anyway. For those of you who do not know how to take the click off a lot of clippers, let me know and I can help you take it off. I can make a video for almost every clipper. It says it has purple guards from 0 to a 4. This clipper charges strictly from USB-C. This is my first clipper I have with that. I have clippers that charge from USB-C, but I don't have them that are specifically only from USB-C. So we're gonna see how that works. Now let's get into it. I ain't got a haircut lately, so don't judge me. I've been out here grinding. All right, Phenom, of course. This has it to where, oh, it tells you how to remove the click. So there's a little piece behind the spring. All you do is flip it, take it out, flip it over. Easy. Now let's get to it. I've been waiting on this. This feels a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie to you. They said it's full metal, so. This smell new. It smell new. Come on, dog. Look at that. That is nice. Let me take this. Yeah, that's nice. The gold is tough. Ooh. So it's a metal finish on here, but the grip is rubber. It does feel, this sounds crazy, but it feels grippable. Pause. You feel me? I like the click on this as well. It's a little stiff. I feel like on some clippers, the click is a little too flimsy, and it's like, if you try to go down 1, you actually end up going down like 2. So Andis, thank you for this grip. The back of the clipper, you got the little grips on it. It looks a little bit like a magic clip, but it doesn't feel like a magic clip, if that makes sense. The power button is on the side right here. Yeah, like I said, USB-C only. So there's no other way to charge this clipper. And then you got the Phenom blade on it. Now they say this is a phase blade. Let me see something real quick though. If I'm not mistaken, this is the same blade that I have on my MV2. Now the blade I have on my MV2 is a master phase blade. This looks a lot like a master phase blade, and it fits the purple magnet. So that is pretty much the same blade. That is a blade I like. I do think Andis makes impeccable blades. Now back to this unboxing. All right, you got the USB-C stand. There is no USB-C on the inside though. It's just 2 dots, which go to the silver dots on the bottom of this. Therefore, it's not always charged by USB-C. This is a different charge. So there's more than one way to charge this. The dock is not USB-C on the inside. It's almost like a wall in a way, if that makes sense. You know, the wall chargers, they got their 2 little bars on the inside. You just drop it on there and it charges. You know what I mean. Underneath, you got your block, you got your charger. In here, you got your covers for the clipper. It would be really dope if Andis gave us, this is a nice black. You got the black one, and then you got your white grip. I'm scared of this white grip. It could get dirty very easily. Andis, make more. If we can get random colors in this, that would be dope. Everyone could get a color they wanted, or just come up with a few colors so it can stand out just a little bit. Guards. These are my favorite guards, hands down. It's not even close. So you got the OG zero guard. That's fire. You see the teeth on those? Now this is what my MV2 came with, right? The teeth on these are more rounded. The teeth on this is more pointy. This is the OG zero guard. Let's go. Zero guard, half guard. And if I'm being honest, I definitely needed some new purple guards. Mine are decades old. I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't bought any new ones in a long time. So let's go. I'm happy to have these. I'm so happy to have these. I can upgrade. I can throw my old ones away. If you got the old ones, you know these magnets, they start to get old, right? They start to peel, whatever the case may be. They still work perfect. But my magnets look like the floor at the bowling alley. So I want to say I appreciate you, Andis, for sending the extra guards. This is what I mean when I say they peel. And look at these. If you had the OG guards, you know. Some of y'all ain't been cutting long enough, so I get it, you know. I'm unking the barber industry now at this point, right? Comment if you agree. You got your brush, you got your oil, the usual. You got your book. Now let me tell y'all this. A lot of the manuals no longer say charge your clippers for this amount of time anymore. So make sure you look at that. Me personally, I like to be by the book a lot of times. But I realize a lot of these clippers don't even have instructions on that anymore. Now, is it a myth? Maybe, maybe not. I'd rather be safe than sorry. That's just me. Now, in this manual, it says, please charge the clipper for 3 to 5 hours before first use for maximum performance. Come on now. When battery is fully charged, clipper can be used for up to 2.5 batteries of continuous runtime. After first use, clipper will fully charge in a minimum of 2.5 hours. I'm just a messenger. Come on, man. Come on, man. Read the book. Now I'm just playing. I don't know if this is a myth or not, but I just like for my batteries to last a long time. I've never had a battery go bad on me. With that being said, we're going to keep the streak rolling. Now I'm going to say this. One thing Andis has to do better. You hear that? It's a quiet clipper, but that's not what I'm talking about. You see the light right here? Turn it off. We need some kind of indicator, right? I need to know, okay, I got 75%. You know what I'm saying? I got 50% battery left. I got 25%. Then I got dead. We don't want to see just a white light. We need something more than that. That's the one thing that I have to say bad about this clipper. And it's not really even bad because I already used the MV2 and I have no problem with that. But this here, this feels nice in my hand, boy. I do want to see a different kind of battery indicator. I want to be able to tell that, okay, I got 50% battery. What if I got to shoot across town or do a house call? I could be on 19%, right? Use this clipper. It die halfway through the haircut. That's not a clipper I want to take to a house call. You see what I'm saying? Now I hear you can just snap this top off. Hopefully I don't break it. I might just leave that joint on there, cuz. Oh, it does come off. That's fire. Okay, so this is the clipper without it. The whole top come off. The whole spring, everything. Right? I can still open that joint up without it being on it. Come on, man. Now, how do I put this back on? Okay, I'm a little scared of that. I don't know how I feel about that. I probably won't be taking this off anymore. It snapped off, snapped on, cool, but I don't know. The blade looked pretty close. It could be a little bit closer, but yeah, I do like this. I like the metal body. It's got some weight to it. It's nice. This looks like it opens up to a 1. A lot of clippers are moving in that direction. I like that. Give me a little more room, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna put this in a rotation to see how this go. But I'm gonna have to catch y'all in the next video. This got to charge for about 3 to 5 hours. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.